Hi, I'm James and this is my wife Karen.
Hi.
We're in our classic car garage in the Algarve and we're going to make this video about our new acquisition, a 1967 Mustang Fastback 390 S-Code GT. Quite a rare car. This one came from the factory in California, San Jose, which is near San Francisco. And the following year, Steve McQueen went there and bought his car for making the Bullitt film. And this is the same model as he had. So, why a classic muscle car for Karen and I? We've had mostly English cars over the years, lots of classics, mostly Jaguar types, which we both enjoyed and made a lot of friends. Well, I'm retired now and I was coming up to 70 and I'd always had this idea in my mind, I would love one of these Bullitt Fastbacks. Having been 17 years old when the film came out, it left a lasting impression like most guys of my age. So here we are, and I'm just going to tell you how we got the car. We were in England and I said to Karen, I've got this idea, I want to have one of these Bullitt cars before I get too old to drive. She wasn't very keen.
No, not at all, I'm afraid.
So what did you say, really?
Do we really need another classic car, James?
There you are, you've heard it straight from her mouth. And she also said,
I think it might be a midlife crisis.
yeah,
Another one.
Midlife crisis at 70. Well, there you go. Well, whatever it was, I had to have this itch scratched. So off we went around England looking for a Bullitt Mustang in the lovely Highland green colour. We normally buy matching number cars, something that can be improved, and we've had a lot of fun. I do all my own work, I love doing them up, that's half of it, and then we drive it around, and then something else comes along a bit prettier or whatever, and we've done that very successfully for, well, Karen and I for 26, 27 years. So I nearly gave up. I was really fed up, weren't we? Very disappointed. And we were at the Classic Car Show in Birmingham, and just like in life, you just need to give up and something just comes out of the woodwork. And there was this beautiful car parked in the Classic Car Show under the lights, Wasn't for sale or anything. I had a good look round underneath. I thought, wow, it's still got its original red oxide paint where it came out of the Ford factory, and didn't seem to have had any welding, and looking through the window, the dashboard was all original. So where was the owner? Well, he turned up the next day and he said, oh, I'm here, I'm going to drive the car back tonight, south of London. He'd brought it up a couple of days before, middle of November. Apparently he'd owned the car 12 years in America, and it was all that time in a garage having bits done on it, mechanical bits, and he had a wonderful bare metal respray. So we loaded it on our trailer, and here we are with it in the Algarve. And it hasn't disappointed. It is the most fabulous car, and that's why I want to make this video. I mean, before I bought this, we'd never even sat in a muscle car, had we?
It's a different driving experience.
Let alone driven one, and I'm not disappointed. It's had a few little upgrades, improving suspension and things, but basically it's a standard car. It's as it came out of the factory with its body and everything, and we just love it.